Good morning everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
So you know what we are going to do today? We are going to count. Okay. Which chocolate is this? Which chocolate is this? Huh?
James.
Okay, James. Do you love to eat this chocolate? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, Ishan, can you count 5 pink color? 5 pink color.
1,
Okay.
2,
Yes.
3, 4, 5.
Very good. Now, Surovi, can you count 4 green color? 4 green color.
1,
Yes.
2, 3, 4.
Very good. Now, Adrija, can you count 3 orange color? 3 orange color.
1, 2,
3. Very good. Now, Adrija, you count 2 red color. 2 red color.
1, 2.
Very good. And now, Anas, you count 1 blue color. 1 blue color. Very good. So, you all know. Now, can you count, Anas, can you count 10? Any color? 10. 10. Count till 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Okay.
9, 10.
Very good. Clap for him. Very good. Now, which is your favorite color? Favorite color?
Red.
Red. Eat 1 red color, James. 1 red color. 1 red color. Yes. Eat it. Eat it. Eat. Hey, gone. Okay, which is your favorite color? Blue. Okay. You can take one. Your favorite color? Okay, take. Your favorite color?
Orange.
Okay. Your favorite color?
Pink.
Okay. So this way we can introduce the topic of counting to our kindergarteners.